just like that, 7 days of work is gone. Took them all 20 seconds to load it up. Maybe 30 seconds. You know, Florida has all these hurricanes a lot lately, and people say, man, why do you live there? You know, hurricanes, because anywhere you go, there's hurricanes, floods. I mean, there's volcanoes and snowstorms and stuff like that. No matter where you go, earthquakes. Every region in this world has a, you know, something bad about it. New York, you got Democrats and just kidding. It's because of that, man. I mean, it's like 3 days later and it's back to beautiful again. Except for all the flooding and wrecked houses and displaced humans and limbs, and still love living here. Hey, Shovelhead Fedge, Miss Dee Dee, back there somewhere. Light screen. Hey, today finally had a chance to go to the, finally got a break from all the freaking work tearing down and fixing up and all the other stuff. Today we're at the Arcadia Bike Fest, bike show. What is it called?
Bike Fest.
I don't know. It's just basically walking around, watching people walk around and drink beer. It's a big event. It's just not my favorite because it's just, they basically have nothing going on. They have a little bike show. Normally I enter the bike show. I get tired of winning, so I didn't enter this one. Actually, I didn't have time. I ran out of time, so didn't get a chance to enter into this one. Didn't have my bike ready. All right, peace. Oh, Jesus, almost fell. Hey, it's Shovelhead Fedge out in the Shovelhead shed. I had to stop the video just for a second. When I recorded this video about the bike event, the Arcadia bike event and all that, man, I was really excited to go there. But I've kind of noticed that this bike event is just kind of going downhill little by little. There's a lot of reasons why that I think that it is, but it's almost not fun anymore. And it was really like what I said. It was almost like just watching people walk around and drink beer. All the bikes, all new bikes, the Me Too bikes. Oh, you got one of those? Yeah, me too. You know, just all the Me Too bikes and all that. And I don't want to sound negative or anything else like that. I want this bike event to do good and take off, but it would really probably help. You know what? I'll save it for another time. Anyway, the video of the bike event is really short because I didn't stay there a long time. I don't know, man. Maybe I'm getting old and grouchy, or maybe it just sucked. But it just kind of sucked. Just like I said, just walking around watching people drink $4, $5, $8 beers. I don't know how much the beer is or anything else like that. You know, so it just wasn't. It was not as exciting. You know, the bike events aren't like when I was young. You know, beautiful women. Nothing against none of the women. You know, just great looking bikes. You know, it's just like nobody builds bikes anymore. Nobody makes choppers anymore. Nobody really customizes. The only thing that they customize a bike is they spend 10 grand on chrome from the Harley-Davidson dealership and have the tech put it on, and that's custom and all that stuff. So, you know, yeah. You know, you can go out to Texas, you can Born Free, go to all those events where they have the custom builders. Yes, you'll find them kind of bikes, but back in my day, all the bikes were basically like that. The majority of the bikes. I mean, you didn't have to go to Born Free or anything else like that. They were just already there in the parking lots, and it's getting I don't know, man. Maybe I'm just coming old, man, and cranky and all that other stuff. But anyway, listen, this bike here. This is my giveaway bike. For $25, you can go to shovelheadfeds.com. Bring! Go to the website. Buy a sticker. The sticker will enter you into a chance to win this bike. my numbers, the amount of tickets that we sold are so low. I mean, you're honestly going to have like a 1 in 250, 275 chance of winning the bike if you only buy one ticket. If you buy more, of course, it betters your chance. But anyway, I'm out of room. I got my brother's bike over here. He's looking at another bike. So, and then once this bike is gone, honestly, I need the room. And trust me, I need the money. But I need the room more than I need the money. I need this bike gone. That light is really bright. I need this bike gone. You know, so maybe by the time that I finish editing this video, I may pull the name. I may pull it tomorrow. I may pull it the day after tomorrow. I know 100% very, very soon I'm going to pull the name. I got to get away from that light. I'm going to pull the name and somebody's going to win this bike. And to be honest with you, I'll probably sell just a few more tickets. So you're going to have, chances are you're going to have a 1 in under 300% chance of winning it. I think that's how that works. But anyway, it's a great running bike. It's a beautiful bike. It is what it is. It's a 1980. And I went all through it, you know, other than actually going into the motor and all that stuff. I rode it. I've played with it, you know, and did it. Somebody's going to get a good bike. Somebody's going to get a great shovel head. And for basically 25 bucks, somebody's going to get a shovel head. So get onto the website, shovelheadfeds.com. So, of course, got our hats, stickers, koozies, flags, got all the stuff. But buy a sticker because I am pulling the name. I am pulling the name. And in fact, you may go on the website as this video comes out and find out that I've already pulled the name. I'm done. I need the room. I'm afraid I'm going to knock this bike over. I'm afraid there's going to be a fire. I'm afraid that Bigfoot's going to come in here and steal the bike. I don't know. But I want this bike gone and in somebody's hand. Somebody's going to have a hell of a Christmas. And somebody's probably going to have a hell of a Thanksgiving. So anyway, shovelheadfeds.com. All right, the rest of the video, like I said, hey, it is what it is. I've been so busy around here helping myself out as well as helping other people out because we got really, really nailed pretty good. People that I know, friends in Punta Gorda and Port Charlotte and stuff like that are right on the coast. They've, you know, so I really haven't been in the shop and I hadn't had time to make videos and all that stuff, but all that stuff is changing because I can finally see myself clearing some space and, you know, in my life, and now I can get back to, and it's hunting season. I don't know if you guys hunt. We do. Like I said before, we have an organic farm. We try to produce as much food as we possibly can, and that includes meat. And sometimes a lowly deer will walk. Well, actually, I have a lot of deer that hang out here. So anyway, that's it, man. Peace. There's the video. If it sucks, if it's short, and there's just music. It is what it is. Like I said, it wasn't the greatest event. I don't know. I think maybe it was right before the for the election, the presidential election. I think a lot of people they didn't know what direction they're going. We're in a weird situation as humanity-wise right now, it seems, especially in this country. So anyway, be safe. Love you guys. If I don't hear from you, happy Thanksgiving and all that other stuff, man. Peace. Video. Go. Get out. Get out. Get out!
Why, hello there. I am the parody legal advisor for the SHOVELHEADFEDGE.com and the SHOVELHEAD YouTube show. I have been requested to read a legal disclaimer for the following video. Shovelhead Fedge is not a mechanic, nor is this an instructional video. This video is a video for entertainment purposes only. Shovelhead Fedge has no idea what he is doing, so please do not take this video as an instructional video on how to do what he is showing you. He is only a shade tree mechanic, not to be confused with shade tree surgeon. Please remember, do not try this at home. Now for the disclaimer. Shovelhead Fedge and ShovelheadFedge.com is not responsible for not available in 48 states.